Hello viewers, let's transfer or shift all your pictures from one Google account to another Google account or simply Gmail. Now let me open Chrome browser and it's already logged in with my first email, and let me click and open Edge browser, which is already signed in with another Google account. So in case if I directly type photos.google.com in the address bar of the browser, so I'll directly reach to my pictures. Let's click back and let me share you the most easy way. This is Chrome browser and now come and my Gmail is already logged in. So click these 9 dots, come down and click photos, and you can see I reached the photos already synchronized in my Google account. There are so many, so let me go to end and press from your keyboard shift key and select the last picture, so all picture would be selected. To deselect all pictures, simply press escape. Let me select few pictures like this one, and it's about 5 pictures. Now go up and click this share sign. Now come down, click create link. Once again create link, press this button and now copy link. It's done almost. Now go to Edge browser or alternate browser. Let me maximize it. And now in address bar, click inside and Control V for paste, hit enter, and these pictures are in front of you. And now simply come up and click this save photos button and it's saved. You can see with left down corner in front of arrow and all 5 pictures are saved. Now let me go to Chrome browser, the first browser, and let me delete, move to trash. Now it has been deleted from the first account. Let me refresh the other account, or simply let's click 9 dots and then click on photos, and you will see all the 5 pictures are already shifted or transferred to the other account. So there is no fear of loss of any picture. Thanks for watching.